Hello，呢條片咧會同大家講2024年 Paper Two 嘅第3B 嘅，咁呢條係一條即係要計數嘅題目啦，咁都同大家一齊睇下啦。咁就佢條題目咧，佢要做啲咩咧？其實就要揾個 percentage by mass of lead to carbonate in the sample 啦。咁個 sample 入面有啲乜嘢咧？原來個 sample 入面咧有 lead to carbonate 啦，同埋少量嘅 copper to carbonate 嘅。咁所以咧，我哋就要即係揾翻究竟個 sample 有幾多係lead to carbonate 咁樣啦。呢個係我哋嘅目標咁樣，咁我哋睇下啲procedure，即係 step 點樣做啦。咁 step one 咧就係我哋會加咗呢個嘅dilute nitric acid 落去啦。咁 dilute nitric acid 攞嚟做啲咩咧？咁就應該係同即係 acid 可以同 carbonate 有 reaction 啦。我哋可以隔離寫下先嘅。咁就係啦 ，step one 係啦。Step one 咧就係 acid react with carbonate 啦，咁就可以嗱本身lead to carbonate 同 copper to carbonate 都係 solid 嚟噶嘛，insoluble 嘅，咁所以佢哋 react 完之後咧就可以 dissolve 咗咁樣啦。咁跟住咧記住佢有呢個2.03 gram of the sample 啦。咁跟住之後咧就再加呢個嘅ammonia 落去喎，咁樣咁加 ammonia 落去做咩咧？form 咗個 precipitate 嘅。咁點解會 form precipitate 咧？咁我哋咧 step two 咧其實就係呢個嘅，因為 step one 嘅時候佢 acid 加 carbonate，咁就會 form 咗呢個嘅metal nitrate 啦，即係lead to nitrate 同埋 copper to nitrate 啦，兩樣嘢都 soluble 嘅。咁所以 step two 咧其實就係一啲嘅 metal ion 啦，同 ammonia入面嘅 hydroxide 之間嘅 reaction，咁就係一個 precipitation reaction 嚟嘅。咁但係留意翻咧，佢 excess 嘅。咁 excess 會係點樣咧？就係呢個嘅copper to hydroxide 咧，其實會 dissolve in excess 嘅ammonia 嗰度嘅。OK，while 咧呢個嘅 lead to hydroxide 咧就唔會 dissolve 嘅，咁所以就有個 solid 喺度啦。咁所以 at the end 咧 step three 嘅時候，呢個 precipitate 咧就係呢個嘅 lead to hydroxide 啦。其實 OK，咁跟住我哋就 collect 呢個 lead to hydroxide 啦。咁跟住 washing and drying，咁然後就再磅，咁啊磅到佢咧就係1.47 gram 嘅咁樣。OK，好啦，咁有同學問咁我可唔可以直接1.47 over 2.03去計完咯？邊有咁簡單啦？咁樣咁所以咧，我哋就要睇下點樣，即係成條題目點樣去做咁樣啦。咁就第part one 咧，咁就點解要加 excess 啦？咁樣咁你見到咧我頭先講個 step one 咧，其實係 acid 加 carbonate 啦。咁你係要用晒所有 carbonate 噶嘛？咁所以咧 step即係第一步咧，其實我哋就要 to make sure that all the solid reacted 咁樣啦。To make sure all the lead to carbonate 啦，你可以寫，因為嗰啲 solid 同埋呢個嘅 copper to carbonate have reacted 係啦，全部都 react 晒嘅咁樣係啦 all 啦咁樣。OK，and then 咁跟住第二啦，咁就係加咗呢個嘅 excess 嘅 ammonia 落去之後咧，咁除咗會 form 到 precipitate 啦，咁另外一個 expected observation 係啲咩咧？咁頭先講咗啦，因為你加咗 ammonia 落去咧，其實係會 form lead to hydroxide 同埋 copper to hydroxide 嘅，咁兩個 precipitate 啦。咁但係因為佢會即係你加 excess 嘅 ammonia 啊嘛，所以咧呢個嘅 copper to hydroxide 咧其實會 dissolve 咗喺個 excess 嘅 ammonia 嗰度嘅。咁所以咧，咁當佢 dissolve 嘅時候咧，就會 form 一個 deep blue 嘅 solution 啦。OK，so deep blue solution is formed 咁樣啦。Deep blue solution is formed 係啦。咁跟住之後咧，第三個咧，咁就係呢個嘅係啦。sorry，點解要 wash and dry 咧？咁樣，因為你即係你要洗走佢面嗰陣，因為你要 make sure 你全部嘢都係 lead to hydroxide 啊嘛，即係 at the end 你去 collect 嗰個 solid 全部都係 lead to hydroxide 嚟嘅。咁所以咧 washing 咧，我哋就 washing to remove 呢個嘅impurities 啦，impurities。咁跟住咧 while 咁 washing 完之後，梗係要 dry 佢啦。while drying，咁你 wash 完佢，咁你要 dry 佢，等佢冇晒啲水分喺表面噶嘛。Trying to remove water 咁樣啦。咁點解 wash and dry 有咩用呢？咁你見到呢係2分嘅，咁啊 before weighing 咁樣，咁你目標你要磅佢嗰個重係真係 lactose hydroxide 啊嘛，咁所以呢，我哋呢就係hence 呢個嘅the mass of 呢個嘅 lactose hydroxide collected 啦，the mass of 又或者 the mass of the precipitate，the mass of lactose hydroxide 啦，which is the precipitate 啦，咁就the mass of 係啦，我哋去磅重咧 weighted will be more accurate 啦。即係唔好意思，我啲字比較核突啦。咁跟住第二個啦，what is the precipitate？咁其實上一條已經講咗啦，咁就係 lactose hydroxide嚟嘅。OK，好啦，咁跟住第三啦，咁就真係計數嘅部分啦。咁啊，梗係唔會1.47 over 2.03咁簡單啦。因為咧，其實我哋係要即係因為佢本身係 lactose carbonate 嚟㗎嘛，咁變咗 lactose hydroxide 啊嘛。咁所以咧，我哋要計翻即係 number of moles of lactose hydroxide 啦。咁就係1.47啦。1.47 gram 咁就除翻佢個 molar mass 啦，咁207.2，跟住之後再加hydroxide 咁就16.0加1.0咁啊乘2咁樣啦，咁就撳一撳計數機啦，咁啊0.00609 mol，OK，好啦，咁跟住呢，佢一開頭呢，咁 suppose 呢 number of moles of 一開頭嘅 lactose carbonate 呢，其實就一樣嘅，都係應該0.00609 mol 嘅。OK， 係啦，咁所以呢，我哋就計翻佢個mass of lactose carbonate 啦。所以 mass of lactose carbonate 呢，就應該係0.00609，跟住再乘翻207.2，再加12.0，再加16.0乘3，咁啊撳一撳計數機啦嚇 ，OK，我要撳一撳先啦，207.2再加12再加16乘3，咁跟住之後呢，再乘0.00609，咁就係1.627 gram 咁樣啦，咁所以呢 percentage by mass 呢，就係1.627 over 一開頭呢，就係2.03嘅，再乘翻100%，0.03係啦，咁就80.2% 咁樣啦。80.2%，咁當然又要會 accept 一個 range，因為其實頭先都進咗位啊 whatever 嗰啲咁樣啦，咁應該會 accept 一個即係可能80.1至80.3呢個 range 咁樣啦。OK， 咁就做完啦依條。咁如果大家咧即係唔係好熟，即係step 2發生咩事咧，咁建議大家温翻第14課啦，咁樣咁就係 metal ion 同 hydroxide 之間嘅 reaction。我頭先冇好 detail 咁去講嗰部分嘅，咁如果大家需要去即係了解翻嗰部分，就自己去睇翻啦。OK， 講完。